What's up, everybody? Hope you're having a great Friday night. Just hanging out here doing some updates to the website, adding some new presets. Gonna be a lot more presets coming up pretty soon. So if you haven't been to therunandgun.com, I'll have the link down in the description where you can go and check that out. It's where I keep all my official LUTs, presets, things like that. But this video is about a photo challenge. We have not done a photo challenge yet this year. So I wanna kick off the first photo challenge of the year. And the theme of this photo challenge is super simple. It's sky. So whatever kind of photos you want to take of the sky or reflections of the sky, I'm not going to give you guys too many ideas because that's for you to get creative. But I want to add a second part to that. So I don't want to just see a boring photo of the sky. I want to see an interesting composition. So what I'm going to be looking for and the judging criteria of this photo challenge and what makes it an actual challenge is I want to see a photo of the sky with a really cool or really interesting composition. So that right there is the actual challenge to this photo challenge or photo mission. And you guys have 1 week to submit your photos. So starting tonight, you have 7 days, and by next Friday, I want to see all your photos uploaded to our Discord server. And that's where I'm going to be checking out all of your photos. You can get critiques on your photos or just chat with other members of the community. So the Discord link will be down in the description as well. So again, that's where you got to submit all of your photos. And of course, all of this is considered community participation for the 10K giveaway. And we're coming up on 8K pretty soon, probably within the next week. So we're going to be giving that first Polaroid camera away in a couple days, hopefully. If you haven't heard about the 10K giveaway yet, be sure to watch that video. I'll link it up here and I'll link it down there and everywhere. So I'm going to be giving that first camera away to the biggest participant in the community this year. So be sure to participate in this photo challenge. I'll figure out an interesting way where participation gets you some points, and maybe we'll do like a community vote in the Discord server, and that'll get you some extra points towards that 8K giveaway. So that's all for this video. Get out, go shoot some awesome photos of the sky, and I can't wait to see them on the server. So until next time, get out and go shoot.